Sanbona and welcome back to Zulu Mama's Kitchen, where we learn beautiful Zulu words and explore the taste of Zulu food. Today, we are learning everyday food words you can use at home. Let's dive right into our Zulu food vocabulary and don't miss our special food of the day at the end. In Zulu, we say izambane. Izambane for potato. Potatoes are used in many dishes, boiled, roasted, or mashed. Zulu families love adding them to isitshulu, the stew, or making potato chips, ama-chips amazambane. Ubisi. Ubisi means milk, fresh milk or sour milk, and that is amasi, is enjoyed with uphuthu. And some people even use isinkwa to make amasi. It's a symbol of nourishment and tradition in many Zulu homes. Ijusi. Ijusi means juice. You'll often hear some other people saying ujuzi. Whether it's orange, mango, or guava, ijusi is perfect on hot days. In Zulu homes, you might hear people saying ngicela ijusi ngomile. And that means, may I please have juice? I'm thirsty. Iqanda. Iqanda means egg. Eggs are a breakfast favorite, boiled, fried, or scrambled. You can say, ngipheka amaqanda. I am cooking eggs. Inkukhu is chicken, and chicken meat is inyama yenkukhu. Chicken is one of the most common meats in Zulu cuisine, whether roasted, curried, stewed, or boiled. A traditional isitshulu senkukhu is rich, flavorful, and perfect for family gatherings. Izithelo. Izithelo means fruits. From ama-apula to umango, mangoes. Fruits are sweet, refreshing, and full of vitamins. Zulu people often say, idla izithelo ukuze ube nempilo. Eat your fruits so that you stay healthy. Ipetshisi. Ipetshisi means peach. Juicy and soft, ipetshisi is a favorite summer fruit. You can enjoy it fresh or in fruit salads. Ubhontshisi. Ubhontshisi means beans. Beans are cooked and served with uphuthu or sometimes rice, and it can be mixed with rice or uphuthu, and when it's mixed it's called isgwaqane, and that's one of the most favorites for the Zulus. They are a great source of protein and energy, especially for children. Inhliziyo. Inhliziyo means heart. In Zulu cooking, we use every part of the animal. So inhliziyo can be grilled or fried or boiled, and it's very rich in flavor and loved by many. More especially the chicken and cow's heart. Now for our bonus food word, we have isibindi. Isibindi means liver, but in Zulu, isibindi also means courage or bravery. Mostly Zulus enjoy isibindi, mostly straight after a cow slaughter. Some will have it raw, some will just braai it and make it a little bit raw. That's how most people enjoy it the most. Now let's do a quick recap. You can say these words after me. Izambane, ubisi, ijusi, iqanda, inkukhu, izithelo, ipetshisi, ubhontshisi, isibindi, inhliziyo. Well done, everyone. You've just learned 10 Zulu food words, and you've also discovered how isibindi reminds us to be brave. Remember, ukufunda isiZulu kuyathokozisa. Learning Zulu is joyful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Zulu lessons with Mzansi Zulu Mama.